हेलो एंड वेलकम। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं होटल इंडस्ट्री के उस सेक्टर के बारे में जहां पर कि जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आर ग्रोइंग रैपिडली, द इंडस्ट्री इज़ ग्रोइंग रैपिडली, एंड इफ़ यू लाइक फूड एंड बेवरेज सर्विस एंड स्पेशली इफ़ यू लाइक द बेवरेज इंडस्ट्री, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ which lies ahead. These jobs start from the beautiful vineyards, taking care of the vineyards and the wine grape growing till the time it is being served to the guest. So all these jobs in between are considered and will be discussed in this video. So if we talk about the United States, it used to have in 2009 only 6,000 wineries, but now by 2020 it has grown more than 10,000 wineries. So it is a gain of about 40% wineries has expanded. So now all the 50 states in United States is growing wines, and it is not USA alone. Other new world wine countries like Australia is becoming one of the biggest exporter in the world of the wine, and other than this, New Zealand has got excellent wines growing in other areas also. Like in India also, we have more than 15 excellent wineries which are producing very good wines, but earlier we never had winery before. So people are growing interest in the wines, and wine is considered in alcoholic beverage sector, it is considered as a healthy drink. So people are taking up more to the wine. So आज की वीडियो में हम लोग कवर करेंगे इन जॉब के लिए क्या जॉब प्रोफाइल आपकी होनी चाहिए, व्हाट यू विल डू ऑन द जॉब, व्हाट विल बी योर जॉब प्रोफाइल, जॉब स्पेसिफिकेशन की बात करेंगे, आपको उस जॉब को करने के लिए क्या क्या क्वालिटीज़ आप में होनी चाहिए, कितनी एजुकेशन आप में होनी चाहिए, कितना एक्सपीरियंस आपको होना चाहिए, एंड उसके बाद में हम बात करेंगे कौन कौन से कोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं, कौन कौन से रेप्यूटेड रिकॉग्नाइज्ड कोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं इंडिया में, ऑनलाइन कौन से अवेलेबल हैं, कौन से ऑफलाइन हैं, क्या क्या कौन कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं जो उनको कोर्सेज को अवेलेबल करा रही हैं, एंड आई विल टॉक अबाउट लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट जॉब्स विच आर अवेलेबल ऑलरेडी इन द मार्केट। तो इन जॉब्स को हम चार ब्रॉड कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। वन इज़ कमर्शियल जॉब, and the second is production job, and third is the service job, and then we have the training sector. So if we start with the commercial job, we have a job profile which is like a buyer. So you can be hired as a buyer. As a buyer you will be responsible for sourcing the wines from the vineyards. सो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट विनियार्ड्स को आप अप्रोच करेंगे, और कई बार विनियार्ड्स भी आपको सैंपल में कई तरह की वाइन्स भेजते हैं, आप उन वाइन्स को टेस्ट करेंगे। टेस्ट करने के बाद में यू विल क्रिएट अ एक्सेल शीट वेयर यू विल रिकॉर्ड ऑल द टेस्ट प्रोफाइल एंड द वाइन प्राइस, व्हाट इज़ द प्राइस, you will negotiate the price, and you will try to find the wines which is suitable for your market. So if you are in a region, for example if you are in India, then you will choose the wines which are popular in India and for the Indian palate, and you will try to find these wines, and then you will make a portfolio, एक portfolio बनाएंगे which will be available for the hotels to orders, because hotel will not order directly from the vineyards, so they don't deal with the vineyards. Even the bar or other organizations, they don't directly deal with the vineyards or distilleries. So these are the in between mediators, those who source the wines for them and prepare a portfolio. So for this type of job you need a very developed palate, and you need at least WSET level 4. It is an advanced course in wine. We will discuss about these course at the towards the end of this video. I will explain all these courses. So other than this, you need a good communication and negotiation skill, so you should be a good negotiator. So guys, next in category we have the wholesale. After the buyer has bought the wines and selected for that particular region, we need to sell these to the selling outlets like hotel, restaurants or bar. So for this we have the tele sale and field sale. So telesale is a job which is an office job. So you will be contacting different organizations such as hotel, restaurant and bar, and giving them solution for their beverage list, giving them after sale support. For the field sale, you will be visiting these outlets and providing them help market their brand, and giving them solution for their wine list, for wine by the glass, all these type of help, and from their portfolio they suggest different type of wines and try to sell their wines to these organizations. For this, at least you need Wine and Spirit Education Trust London, that is level 3, WSET level 3 qualification and some experience in the field. So after you have successfully worked in field sale or telesale, you will be promoted as a sales manager. So the next job is the trade marketing, and the main job profile of trade marketing is the brand awareness. So there are so many good products, but people don't know about them. So if the buyer has selected some wines based on the taste profile and the price point, the wine is very good, but people don't know about them. So what the trade marketing people will do, they will arrange meeting with the bar manager or sommelier or restaurant manager, and they will give them complimentary stock, and they will tell them that you can call your guest and give them free tasting, free wine tasting, complimentary tasting, or you can make a promotion with the food, so that people know about this brand and they appreciate this brand. So for this job profile, you at least need to have a WSET level 3, so that you understand the wines, you understand the taste profile, and you can communicate to the bar managers, restaurant managers, sommeliers. You can convince them, and you can speak to the guest if needs be. The next, you can work in retail. In retail sector, there are so many beautiful outlets of wine outside India, where you can be working as a customer relation, customer representative, store in charge or store manager, and you can provide your help and support to the people who are coming to buy the wines and different products. For this level, you at least need to have a WSET level 3 and a basic good knowledge about the wines and beverage, so that you can suggest and you can implement these sales promotions in the store. So the next category within the beverage industry is the as an event manager. You can be responsible. This is close to the marketing job, where you help different brands to market their brand through these festivals. So many wineries, they organize their own events, like Sula Vineyard. They organize 2-day musical event where they invite people and they provide accommodation, food, and everything, and they celebrate this event, and through this event they market their brand also. So people get to know about these wines and their different products. So similarly in France, Beaujolais also, we have different type of festival. So as an event manager, you will be helping organizing all these events, and you will market the brand. So this is the first part of the commercial jobs which we have discussed so far. Now we discuss about the production. In production, we have jobs which are very skill oriented jobs, such as viticulturist or vineyard managers. Those who are in production, winemakers and tasters. These are the jobs which require a lot of experience, a lot of you need to have a good palate to taste the wines. So if we talk about the viticulturist is responsible for the vineyard work. So vineyard related work such as planting, pruning, or disease controlling, all these things viticulturist he do, because the good wine can be made with the good grape, and good grape comes from the good vineyard practices. So as a viticulturist, you need to do all these things. Then you can be promoted as a vineyard manager. Vineyard manager is responsible for all vineyard related work. He take cares of all the processes which goes into the vineyard. Then we have the winemaker. Winemaker take cares of the all the processes of the wine making, such as what time the grape should be picked up and how the crushing should be done, what type of fermentation require, what is the fermentation temperature, and what will be the aging, and how we will do the aging, whether it will be a what type of cask aging we will do. So all these decision will be taken by the vineyard manager, and vineyard manager, each decision can make the wine different quality. So if he alter his decisions in any of these stages, he can alter the, so as per the grapes. So for example, in 1 year we have not got good grapes, so what can be done with these grapes. So all these decisions are based on the winemaker. So to become a winemaker, you need a good experience. After working in this industry for long, you can, if you are interested, you can be working in a winery and learn all these techniques, and then ultimately you can become winemaker. Similar job as a winemaker is also distiller. So if we talk about the spirits, we have the distillers who make the various spirits such as whiskey, vodka, gin, tequila, rum. All these spirits are made under the supervision of distiller. So distiller, the main motive of the distiller is to keep the quality consistent. So every batch, for example, if 2009 or 2010 of one vintage whiskey is of one quality, so it should be the quality should be consistent. So as a distiller also you learn a lot of things, and it has a huge potential as a career. So these were the jobs related to the production. After production, we have the service part, which we all know. Most of us know, like wines waiter, or the assistant sommelier or bartender or mixologist. So all these are related to the service. So if you are interested in the beverage, you can learn a beverage and you can get one of these positions, and you can grow your career in this section. So as a wine sommelier, you are responsible for keeping the wine stock of your outlet, and making sure they are kept in good condition, the sale is good, the budget is achieved, and wine list is up to date. All these responsibilities taken care by the sommelier. And the bartender, as you know, he makes different drinks, different cocktails, mocktails served to the guest. As a mixologist, you are responsible, I mean, it is a job higher, a level higher than the bartender. So after you understand all the basics of the bar mixing and making cocktails, you basically understand the science of the bartending, and then you play around with the ingredients and create your own drinks, create different type of concoctions and fusions. So that is the mixologist. After this, we have the jobs which are as a trainer. So after, if you have learned the beverages and you are not interested in one of these type of jobs, you can be as a trainer also. You can earn a lot of money. So as a trainer, you can work in one of these organization, as like WSET, Wine and Spirit Education Trust London. They have lot of branch all over the world. In most of the countries, they have the branch where they provide the education about the wines. And the second body, educational body, is the CMS, the courts of master sommelier. They also provide the knowledge about the wines. And other than this, we have so many other wine institutions which are set up outside India, which are reputed institutions. So you can be working as a trainer and giving trainings to the aspirants of beverage industry people, and where you will be giving the basic knowledge and wine tasting and all these. तो ये बात कर लेते हैं कौन कौन से कोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं विच आर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड इन द बेवरेज इंडस्ट्री. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज WSET. द फर्स्ट कोर्स विच आई एम टॉकिंग is Wine and Spirit Education Trust London. They have the biggest network all over the world, and they provide different levels: WSET level 1, 2 and 3, and then there is a diploma. So WSET level 1, you get the basic information of the wines, the different type of grape, wine growing regions, basic tasting notes, and a little bit about soil. All these things, the basic things you learn in the WSET level 1. In level 2, you learn a little bit looking behind the label, the name of the course is. So you learn basically how the wine is produced, and what are the regions, and what is the viticulture. Little bit you go into the viticulture, vinification, you go how the wine is made, and you taste different type of wines. And then there is a one day exam where you get the objective type answers, and you fill these answers, and you get your certificate from UK. In level 3, it is more advanced than level 2. In level 3, you do extensive tasting of the wines, and you learn more about the viticulture, you learn more about the soil, you learn more about the different type of aging and all these things. Then there is a diploma, which is the highest level in the WSET. So diploma is not available in India, but rest level 1, 2, 3 you can is available in India. You can do it from either Sula Vineyard is provider of this course, and other than this, Anotica Bangalore is a provider of this course. and we have another name which is Sonal Holland Academy, which is providing this course in India. तो जो नेक्स्ट एजुकेशनल बॉडी है दैट इज CMS, कोर्स ऑफ मास्टर सोमेलियर. दे ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड 4 different level. So one is the introductory certificate, and then there is a next certificate which is the certified sommelier. Then there is the advanced sommelier, and there is master sommelier, which is a little bit difficult course, and they are considered level up, especially as compared in the wine education. So these courses are not available in India. It is available in USA, Canada, and Australia, New Zealand. These are the area where these courses are available. So once you have done some levels of WSET, then you can also apply in the CMS. I will be leaving the link of all the educational bodies which I have discussed in the description box below. तो आइए बात कर लेते हैं कुछ अवेलेबल जॉब्स के बारे में. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ जॉब्स आर दे, एंड व्हाट इज़ द सैलरी, एंड व्हाट इज़ द रिक्वायरिंग एक्सपीरियंस एंड क्वालिफिकेशन. So these jobs are for the example, and what type of job title they have, what type of salary they are paid. So first is distillery supervisor in Tonbridge, UK, and they are paying £30,000 annually. 1 pound is about 94.5 INR, so monthly salary comes around 2,36,250 rupees. They are requiring 3 years of experience in the distillery section. Then we have the spirit tasting assistant. They require WSET level 1 and 2 in spirit, and they are paying hourly £12. So if you work for 9 hours, so that is about £108 per day. So per day in Indian rupees is 10,000. So you get 10,206 rupees paid per day. So if we take for 26 days, it will be 2,65,356 INR, Indian rupees per month. The next job is, for example, is wine sales consultant. They are also paying £12 per hour. So the calculation comes same as spirit tasting we had discussed, is 2,65,356 rupees, and they require WSET level 2. So guys, these are the jobs which are available. This is just for the example. So after working in few years in the industry, you get very good package, and the jobs which I have discussed in the commercial sector, they are not the jobs which you get first after passing out your hotel management. So you have to work in the industry for some time, like in F&B service you can work, or you can work, even you can work in any other department. But if you are interested in beverage and you start learning beverage and you start doing these courses like WSET or CMS levels, and you spend your time in learning beverages, then of course you can get one of these positions very easily. And industry, as I discussed in the earlier section of this video, is expanding and has lot to offer. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel, because I keep making these type of informational videos. Thank you so much.